go to mercyhacks.com, click generate key, and then you're going to copy this key. If you're on Windows, Mac, or whatever, but I'm on Mac, so go here. Let me open up terminal. Go into that directory. I'm gonna do it manually because apparently it just doesn't want to work. So we're gonna go to the library, application, support, cursor. Let me open this up for you guys, just to give you a visual. Library, application support, cursor, and then where the part where it actually verifies slash checks how many accounts that you have on your machine is going to be in the global storage. What is it? Oh, it's user. Cursor, A, B, C, D, E, F. No, I think I need to do it within. Okay, you have to do it within your terminal, but you're gonna CD into the global storage now, and then open this up, and then you'll see this storage.json, the copy right here. You're gonna open this up, and then you're gonna find and replace everything right here. You're gonna look for the telemetry machine ID, so just do Control F, find that Control F on this, and then boom. Just replace your previous values of these with this, and you're good to go. Thank you.